let's see. I mean, obviously, I'm sure that public gatherings won't be open till July 22nd or even after that. We all have to be very safe. We all have to make sure that we're at home and healthy. So let's hope that I have a fun birthday despite whatever situation's happening. I'm Amisha Thakur. You're not looking 25. I can't do much about that. I don't know what to do, but whatever I do, I still look like 19, 20, which is cool. I mean, it's fine. It's good to look young. I mean, that's awesome. Um, when was the last time you dressed properly before lockdown? When was the last time I dressed properly? Mm, I think when I was doing like interviews for Control, like the lockdown had been announced, but it wasn't that day. I was still like, it was still like 2-3 days before the proper lockdown started. So yeah, that was the last time I was like dressed properly for like the interviews of Control. Yeah, I mean, someone just said forgot. Yeah, I completely forgot when was the last time because it's almost been 2 months since we've been in this lockdown. Like it's crazy. Life has changed. Insane. Sneha underscore Paul 34. Are you loving this family time? Yes, I am loving this family time, but we're fighting also. So let me tell you, it's not all great and lovey dovey and happy. A lot of fights happening uh, because I think some of us are being lazy. I'm being lazy, and I'm not doing much of the house chores. I'm becoming a calm chore, and I think that's the reason that probably fights are happening, and obviously other reasons as well. But yeah, loving, fighting, everything is happening in the house. Let's see which other questions. Do you do your own makeup? Wow, that's an interesting question. Yeah, see, let me tell you guys. So there was this one time where I was stuck without a makeup artist, and I didn't know what to do. I had a lot of pimples as well, a lot of acne, and I was really, really scared and nervous of going on stage like that because obviously everyone wants to look their best when they're going on stage or when they're in front of the camera or in front of an audience. And that was the first and the last time that I went on stage like that. After that, I was like, I don't want to be in a situation where I don't have a makeup artist and I can't like do my own makeup. So I obviously took help from some friends and went and bought the right makeup for myself. As a guy, you don't obviously no, we don't have that much knowledge about makeup, but because I was like really embarrassed of going on stage in that way because I had a lot of acne, I went and got like a bunch of different things that suited my skin. I went and got some makeup which is non oily and non comedogenic, which is basically good for the skin and healthy for the skin and does not you know make you break out into acne. So yeah, wow, I can't even believe I talked about makeup to you guys. The perpetual day memer again has arrived and he's asking me, what are your dream sneakers? Um, Honestly, I've never been like, oh wow, that's my dream sneaker, and I like need it for sure. It's never been that. Like I just go into a store, probably a Nike store or an Off-White store, and actually those are two of my favorite brands. And I'm like, well, that looks sick, and I'm gonna take that. It's never like, wow, I want like I'm crazy about this sneaker. I need to get it. It's never been like that. But yeah, I'm a big like sneaker fan. I love sneakers. I love shoes in general. I think they add a lot to a look. Sometimes even when I'm like going out and I'm wearing something pretty simple like a plain tee or plain black tee and jeans, I put on some cool sneakers with color or whatever. I mean something interesting, and yeah, just go out. For me, I think sneakers add that one element to your look, uh, which other things can't. I don't know. I used to be like a big jacket guy, like statement jackets. I used to pick up statement jackets, and like my rest of the look used to be bland. Uh, Only my jacket used to pop. And I think that was like the old me. I used to focus a lot on jackets, but recently I've understood that mixing up things is better. And obviously, as I've grown older, my style has matured, and like I've started having a liking for different things. Shoes are definitely one of them. I'm a big shoe fan. So yeah, that answers your questions. Uh, Shanjana 061. What's the name of your first mobile? Well, my first mobile was a Nokia Engage. I don't know if you guys have heard of that model, but Nokia Engage was a pretty cool phone, and it like looked like the Game Boy or the PSP. And I simply bought it because it was like a game phone. It wasn't even like, I don't think, obviously there was no social media at that point of time. So we were just basically just wanted to be cool and have a phone. So yeah, Nokia Engage was my first phone. Are you a gamer? Someone's asked me, are you a gamer? Yes, I am a gamer for sure. I mean, not crazy gamer, but yeah, I love playing games. Um, FIFA is one of my favorite games. Then I also have started playing Uncharted with my brother, which is really cool. Uncharted 4 is such a cool game. You guys should try it, whoever plays games. Rayanshi _ 22 _ AM. Do you like Spanish songs? I love Spanish songs. I think they're very cool. The language is just beautiful. It's such a romantic language, and I hope that obviously since now I've made my debut in English, slowly I also want to start venturing out. Not now, later on. Might want to sing in like Spanish or Arabic or even Korean. Who knows? Um, Someone asked me, I hope you don't play PUBG. No, I've never played PUBG. I have heard so much about it. My friends play it as well, but I don't play PUBG. Do you like biryani? I love biryani. मतलब ये भी कोई पूछने की बात है. That's not even a question. I love biryani. Agarwal Mokshita, what is that one thing you hate the most? The one thing that I hate the most is someone not respecting you and your time. I think that's something that I hate the most about anyone. Like, be it a meeting, be it just catching up somewhere. Like, someone not being on time is definitely a big piss off. I'm pretty understanding that way, but that's something that I really don't like a lot. Okay, Armal Turkey. Hamburger or pizza? Hamburger or pizza? I think pizza. I didn't even need to say Like, pizza is definitely my favorite. Hamburger's cool, but pizza, definitely. Prachi Sharma, we want a proper concert in Delhi. अभी तो मतलब live concerts are very, very far in the future. But definitely I will do one in Delhi for sure. What is your favorite cartoon character? My favorite cartoon character. I used to really like Ben 10 and Shin Chan. Shin Chan was too funny. But speaking of like cartoons, I think my favorite cartoon was definitely Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry was my favorite cartoon of all time. Ritu Sinha, who's your favorite Bollywood actor? That's a tough one. I think Ranbir Kapoor. He's super talented. One of my favorite actors. I love SRK and Salman Bhai as well, but Ranbir Kapoor is one of the most talented actors that we have in our industry. He's amazing. Are you patient or impatient and short tempered? That's not even a question to ask me. I'm super patient. I'm like the most patient. I've waited for Control to come out since like 2 years. Can you imagine? Like, I've been patiently waiting for Control to come out and like reveal that surprise to you guys. So I've been super patient. I'm a very patient guy. You watch Pokemon. Yeah, I used to love Pokemon as well. Shit, how can I forget that? Pokemon, Dragon Ball Z, these are some of my favorite cartoons as well. Obviously, Tom and Jerry is classic, but yeah. Let's see. When you coming back to London for a concert? I wish I can come back to London. I love London, one of my favorite cities in the world. I wish I can come soon. I can't tell you in any date, obviously, because of what's happening in the world right now. But I would love to come to London. Christine Andrew, do you do musicals? I have done musicals in the past. I was part of a few musicals with Rael Padamsi. Performed at NCPA as well a few times. But no, I haven't done a lot of musicals. I'm definitely a fan of musicals, but not done many of them. What are you binge watching these days? Aditi. Aditi, I love there are multiple shows happening right now, but I really love Riverdale. I'm trying to end it now. Season 4 pe aaya hu. Finally, I want to complete it. So yeah, I'm binge watching Riverdale. Well, I think it's time to go now. But before going, I want to sing Control for you guys, like I promised. I know it's a sad thing to end lives, because once we all start interacting with each other, you just want to go on and on. But हर चीज की एक expiry होती है, and this live is going to end with